Harbor Freight just dropped some new Dollar Days coupons, and I'm going to cover them in this video. And you have until July 1st to capture these deals. And most of the coupons will be a limit of 4. All right, first up is going to be a deal on the 100-piece 5-inch cable ties in the black or the 4-inch white ones. They each retail for $1.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $1, which is saving 49% on those. The next deal is going to be on the Harbor Freight brand of the Epoxy Quick Setting. It dries in 5 minutes, works on metal, ceramic, glass, stone, wood, plastic, and paper, has a permanent bond, water resistant, and it's transparent when dry. It's a 0.35 ounce, both part A and B, and this retails at $1.99. And you'll be able to pick that up for $1, saving 49% on that one. That's a good deal. So the next deal is going to be on this microfiber applicator pad with pocket. Here at the store, they have that under the Harbor Freight brand, but on the coupon, it does say Grants. And if you see on the tag, they actually have 2 different SKU numbers. So I don't know if there's going to be 2 different ones or not, but it's the same one technically. The regular price is $1.49, and you'll be able to pick that up for $1, saving 32% on that one. And the next deal is going to be on this Bremen 12-inch high-powered trigger clamp and spreader, so you can switch them around and then use it as a spreader if you want. It has 375 pounds of clamping force, and the retail price on that is $9.99. And you'll be able to pick it up for $8, which is saving only 19% on that one. So it might be better to wait for a 30% off deal when they do that next time around, and there might be one coming up soon. Next up is the Gojo Cherry Gel. It's a 10-ounce container of it. It quickly removes heavy metals, grease, paint, and tar. The retail price on that is $4.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $4, saving 19% on that one. And the next deal is going to be on the CRC brand of the QD electronic cleaner. It's safe for sensitive electronics. It's quick drying, plastic safe, helps prevent contact failure. This retails for $10.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $8, which is saving 27% on that one. So this is going to be a better deal than the current super coupon deals that they have on 25% off on all CRC brand products, which is only good until Sunday, by the way. And the next deal is going to be on the Bauer 1/2-inch by 18-inch sanding belts, and they have them in different grits available from the 36, 80, and 120 grit. So your options there. And it's going to be a limit of 4, just like the other coupons have. And the normal retail price is $5.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $4, which is saving 33% on that. And that's a pretty good deal. And that is for 3 belts per pack. Next item up is going to be on the Pittsburgh 3-inch corner clamp. It's a 90-degree corner clamping. Maximum jaw capacity is 3 inches. So it is a compact clamp. And this retails at $3.49. And you'll be able to pick it up for $3, which is saving 14% on that. So again, might be better time to wait for a 30% off deal. But of course, you have an immediate need, then go ahead and pick it up. And they have a deal on the Hardy reusable latex cleaning gloves. It's 2 pairs of them. They offer them a size small to medium and then large to extra large, as this pack is. And this retails for $2.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $2, which is saving 33% on them. And that's a decent deal. Next up is the Syntec Circuit Tester Set. It's a 3-piece set, so you're able to troubleshoot electrical problems on cars, trucks, boats, trailers, and motorcycles. Retail price on that is $6, and you'll be able to pick it up for $5, which is saving 16% on that one. And the next deal is going to be on this Syntec 12-volt alternator and battery tester. So you can simply and accurately check the status of your 12-volt battery and alternator. The retail price on that is $7. And how about picking up for only $4? And that's saving 42% on that one. That is a good deal. And another Pittsburgh item is on the 4-inch magnetic parts holder. It's made of stainless steel magnetic dish. It keeps parts close at hand. The retail price on that is $3. You'll be able to pick it up for $2, which is saving 33% on that. And yes, this is the one that we have seen as a free item gift during weekends quite often, actually. So, but it's still a good deal at $2. And another Pittsburgh item they have is on the 3/8 drive 4-piece impact extension set that includes 1 3/4, 2.5, 5.5, and 8.25-inch size extensions. The retail price on that is $7.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $4, saving 49% on that. That's an excellent deal. And the next deal is going to be on the Western Safety Impact Resistant Safety Glasses. It's a one-size-fits-all. Retail price is $2.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $2, saving 33% on that. It's another good deal on it. And if these glasses make you grow a mustache like this dude, Be an excellent pickup. If you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more of these deal videos. Now let's go to the next deal. And the next deal is going to be on the US General magnetic hook. It offers a 25 pounds of pull force. It's 2.5 inches wide, and this part right here does swivel 360 degrees, and it has all the different colors available to match your US General box. The retail price on this is $7.99. But you could pick it up for $5, which is saving 37% on that one. That's an excellent deal. And there's another Pittsburgh item deal. It's on the 6-inch diagonal cutters. It has hardened and polished alloy steel. Max jaw opening is 3/4 of an inch, and it has a spring to it, so it opens up nicely. And this retails for $3.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $2, which is saving 49%. Another excellent deal. And the next deal is going to be on the 9-inch caulking gun that retails at $4, and you can save 24% on that and pick it up for $3. Next up is the Chicago Electric 1/4 inch by 14 feet of protective wire wrap. The retail price on that is $4, and you'll be able to pick it up for $3, which is saving 24% on that. And the next deal is going to be on this Vanguard 3 to 2 prong ground adapter. So it turns a 2-plug into a 3-plug. Retail price is $1.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $1, which is saving 49% on that. Another good deal. And next up is the US General 2-piece stubby wrench organizer. So it has the red and black, so you can organize your stubbies. This retails at $10, and you'll be able to pick it up for $6, which is saving 39% on that. Another excellent deal. And they brought back a deal on the Harbor Freight brand of the 7'4" by 9'6" camouflage tarp. So it's 5 mil thick, and the retail price on this is $8.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $5, which is saving 44% on that. Another excellent deal. And they brought on a deal on the 1/4 inch by 100 foot of the diamond braid rope. It retails for $7.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $6, which is saving 24% on that. And it does say it has a safe working load of 300 pounds, and the breaking strength is 900 pounds. And the next deal is going to be on the Merlin 4-piece coupler connector set. It's rated at 300 max PSI, and it's the 3/8 fittings. It has a couple of the male and one female. That's a bad way to go. And then the coupler retail price is $9.99, and you can pick it up for $7, and that's saving 29% on that. Another good deal. And the last option for the dollar days is going to be on this cotton swab assortment. It's 175 count of various sizes of the cotton swabs to do different fine detailing work. The retail price on that is $6, and you can pick it up for $4, and that's saving 33% on that. Another excellent deal. And limit of 4. All right, that's going to be it for the dollar days coupons that you have until July 1st. I will put a link down in the description below that goes directly to the dollar days, so you can check them all out, download them to your phone through the app, and they can scan your phone. If you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more deal videos like this, and also be sure to share the video with other tool deal enthusiasts. I appreciate that support, and I'll see you in the next one.